Take your PBX to the next level. Get more benefits with VitalPBX add-ons. Paging Pro is the perfect solution for businesses that need to make announcements to their employees. It allows you to schedule announcements for automatic paging to your different public announcement devices or phones. So this means you can easily create and manage a consistent announcement schedule without having to worry about missed messages or overlapping broadcasts. It's the perfect solution for schools, public announcements, and warehouse environments. VitalPBX is the final solution for your business that looks for an effective PBX phone system. Don't believe me? Well, try it out today. We've got a community version that'll give you a head start and the chance to try all of the features to get to know everything that VitalPBX is capable of. Download and install it today.